Question 81. Which of the following actions should be performed prior to welding cast iron? Answer, preheat. Question 82. Normal welding attire should consist of which of the following materials for pants and shirts? Answer, cotton. Question 83. Normal included angle of a drill bit for drilling mild steel is? Answer, 118 degrees. Question 84. At a minimum, grease and oil must be kept? Answer, 40 feet. Question 85. Do fuel gas fittings have left-handed threads? Answer, true. Question 86. Which of the following is the safest maximum operating pressure for acetylene? Answer, 15 psi. Question 87. Which of the following locations is the right placement for the revision block? Answer, bottom left corner. Question 88. When cutting with the PAC, there are two ways to begin the arc. Answer, edge and pierce start. Question 89. Which of the following information is provided by a go-no-go gauge? Answer, attribute data. Question 90. Which of the following does a printed dot indicate? Answer, line is a hidden line. Question 91. These are the features of a small arc length, right? Answer, decreased voltage, increased amperage, and increased weld deposit. Question 92. What is the name of the device used to regulate the pressure on an oxy-fuel cutting torch? Answer, regulators. Question 93. Acetylene burning, oxygen-supported gas welding is? Answer, oxyacetylene welding. Question 94. A welding technique that uses a chemical reaction to generate heat is known as? Answer, thermit welding. Question 95. Which of the following is the primary function of a supplementary view drawing? Answer, shows the shape of an inclined surface. Question 96. What two kinds of shielding gases are used in a plasma dual-flow PA torch system? Answer, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Question 97. When preheated without constraint, metal expands in what direction? Answer, volumetrically or in all directions. Question 98. Which of the following procedures should be followed if a micrometer is inaccurate? Answer, reset sleeve. Question 99. A carbon steel butt weld joint that is restricted during welding and cooling will? Answer, have high residual stress. Question 300. Who is responsible for wearing and maintaining safety equipment? Answer, you are.